Let us now solve a MCQ question in relations and functions chapter. Okay, so the given question is, if f maps from R to R defined by f of x is equal to x square plus 1, then the value of f inverse of 7 and f inverse of minus 3 respectively are. Okay, so this is the given question and the options given are empty set, comma in the set it is 4 comma minus 4. B option is 3 comma minus 3 in the set, empty set. C is empty set, and D is empty set. Okay, now so these are the given options for this question. Okay, so and they given f of x value and we have to find f inverse of 17 and f inverse of minus 3 we have to find out. Okay, so let us write the solution. And we know that f of x is equal to what? It is equal to y, and given f of x is equal to what? X square plus 1. Okay. So now since LHS are equal, we have to make RHS equal. So you will get x square plus 1 equal to y. Always write this x terms in left side and y terms in y, because we have to solve for x. Okay. So x square equal to y minus 1, x is equal to root y minus 1. Okay now. And since f of x is equal to y, then x is equal to written as f inverse of y. Okay, so in the place of x you can write f inverse of y. So f inverse of y is equal to, in the place of x what we wrote, f inverse of y, and here the answer is y minus 1. Okay, so now here what we have to do y, but we are having the answer in terms of, given function is in terms of x. So now we can convert this into x. Here function on y, so you are getting answer in y. So if we do the function on x, you will get in terms of x. Okay now. So now this is the f inverse of x, we are getting like this. Okay. So now if we take what is given here, f inverse of 17. So f inverse of 17, what we have taken, x is equal to 17. Okay. So here, so 17 now, so we have to write in terms now x. So here x is what? 17 minus 1 root. Okay, in the place of x we are writing 17 and here it is 16 root, so you are getting plus or minus 4 here. Okay, so now second is what? It is f inverse of minus 3 we have to calculate. Here x we are taking as minus 3. Okay, so here in the place of x you have to take minus 3 minus 1, this is equal to minus 4. Okay now, and in the question they said f is mapping from R to R, so all the answers must be in terms of real numbers, but this is not a real number now, since in the root you are getting minus. So this is equal to what? Empty set. Okay, 5 set. Empty set is represented as 5, and here first option is what? It is 4 comma minus 4. Okay now, so this. So which option is matching? Respectively means what? First we have to write this one, then this one. So the answer is what? It is 4 comma minus 4, then empty set. So here D option is correct. Okay now, if you forget the word here respectively, then you may mark this option, no? Because answer you are getting empty and 4 minus 4. So that's why they given respectively, no? So respectively first this answer, then write this answer. Okay, so you will get the D option. Okay, so like this we can solve this type of questions in relations and functions chapter. Okay.